Hi everybody, here is a tutorial on how to download the OpenDyslexic font. You can use it with Word or you can also use it with LibreOffice. Anywhere else as well. So if you've got it for Word, you'll have it for PowerPoint. It's a nice and reader-friendly font. Okay, so you just type OpenDyslexic here, for example on Google, OpenDyslexic, and home. Download now, and it's free, totally free. And then you can say thank you, but otherwise you just say download. Yeah, where is it? I'd like this. You just type 0 here, you don't want to pay for that. Give your email address. Add to unilim.fr, and then you'll have a zip file. You just download the zip file and unzip it. So let me see if I still got it open. Dyslexic. Hang on, let me check on my mailbox. Let me check that out. You receive something that is similar to that. OpenDyslexic, welcome, you got OpenDyslexic, you bought it, thank you. And then afficher le contenu. And then you can just download it. Okay, download this version. New OpenDyslexic, so you've got this one, 2019, so you can actually download this one if you want to. Download it. Let's try again. You've got also for iOS, so that if you have a Mac, then that's wonderful. Let's try again. Download. Yeah, it's kind of probably loading. And then you unzip it, and it should automatically appear either in LibreOffice. LibreOffice, where is LibreOffice? So here, though, that's something else. No. Where is my LibreOffice? So I'll just type LibreOffice. There we go. And then I'm just going to try and find the font there. OpenDyslexic. Hello. Make it bigger. Here we go. So the irregularities of this font makes the brain recognize the characters faster. So I think when you're reading a text for audio description or for reading an audio book, whatever, it's really nice to have something that is reader friendly. For everybody, I think that's a really inclusive font. Okay, I hope this was useful. I'll see if I can try this one out. No, I can't. I don't know why. What's going on here?